YouTube, welcome back to another Roblox video. Today we are playing some more Roblox Cash Grab Simulator. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to like, subscribe. Don't forget to put on notifications so that you're never going to miss another Roblox video. And let's go ahead and hop right in this Cash Grab Simulator video. So I actually think I don't have any codes for today, but we will be explaining the game. Hopefully it doesn't lag that. Last time, every time I record in this game, it lags. Well, really guys, when I don't record it doesn't lag. Alright, wait, the lag will stop hopefully. Alright, now let's go ahead and try to find one up. Oh my god, it's so laggy every time for me. I feel so unlucky. I'm just gonna go ahead and get everyone. Like now, before polls were so easy to find. Now they're hard. Where are the polls? I don't really hard by the way. Oh my god. Alright, where are they? Where's the pros? Oh my god, look, there's none in sight. Those legends. But where are the pros? Pros, where are you? Pros, where are you? Oh, dang, he's a customer. Alright, we'll find a pro. We're gonna wait and find a pro. Still finding a pro. Sorry if you guys can hear that. See? Like, I don't know, same guys, same. I really... Pro is so hard to find. Oh my god. Someone tell me where our pro is, God. Demand car violence. If I don't find a pro, I'm literally going to another game. So I've wasted 1 minute in this video trying to find a pro, or maybe more than 1 minute. Alright, I'm gonna leave the game and go another one. It's impossible, guys. It is literally impossible. It's impossible, guys. It's impossible. So, wait. Let's just wait for that. It's already, in my clock, it's 3:54 minutes past in this video. Perfect. Hopefully there's pros in the server. It takes time for me to load. Oh, a pro. Wait. See what I mean? God, what does our range mean? What does? I'm following you, pro. No. Oh, there is. Let me know. John. Oh, I'm lagging. Wait. He's become pro. It's good to be in the VIP. Neither is oh my god. Dude, where's the pro? Oh my god. God, really? Look at this guy. He's giving me the money on him. What do you do in the game studio? Actually, I want to join that group. I'll join that group and make it after a vid. Oh, another pro. Just Danny DM. Come here, Danny DM. 2 pros. Oh, I gotta help one of my pros. He's stuck in here. Dude. There we go. I helped him. Let's go. I want more pro. Dude, he's stuck again. Stop getting stuck, dude. Come on. Stop smiling and getting... Oh, he's stuck again. Dude, if you don't come, I'm not gonna help you at all. Just right here. Alright, just I don't care if you like it. I really don't care. Oh, finally. Alright, trying and jump. That's my mouth. That's my mouth. Alright. Doing it more, see? Alright, either way, guys, let's go ahead and... Trying to... Oh my god, that... See, you're not abandoned. He's gone. Oh, a pro. Oh, he has over 1,000. That's the most on your song. He's not gonna be lost. You're not gonna lost, sir. Daddy EM, you have no money. No money. No money. Ah. Even though your vids are not that bad. Either way, not that bad. I didn't say it's bad. I said it's not that bad. Oh, another guy. Who is he? 790. Yo, man, dude. This is way better than the other server. Oh, bang. Please don't. Please don't let me. Please. Oh, thank you. I thought I left the game. Thank God. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and. I'm never leaving you guys. Give me all your money, boys. Yep, yay, more. Yippee. Ooh. Oh my god, another pro. Another pro. No pros left behind. Come on, out of range. Yes, that means he's too far away. Come here. No. Who's the guy that's missing? Alright, catch up to this guy. Guys, you gotta catch up. Oh, dude, he keeps moving. I'm gonna go a bit closer. Oh, no, I could. Got him! Danny, I'm lost his money. Sorry, Danny, I'm sorry if you're watching this video. Even though it's a 0% you watching this video. But either way, let's go ahead and... Oh, that was a pro. Thought that was a pro, it was just casual. Come on, guys, oh my god, you always get dropped, and your buddies, your friends are coming. Is this a pro? Oh, he is a pro. Here's another Buddo. Hey, Bud. Either way. Hey, sir. Sir! There we go. My gosh, follow me! Dun 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 dun, look at that. It's like Marvin. Dun dun, we're going to attack the world's army. If you watched the bit of the last guest of this year's video, we're the bacon soldiers. I hate what? We have to kill the guest. Or either way, that's not part of the video. No, that's really. You're stuck, you gorilla. Just whatever, come. Oh my god. Either way, you won't have fun. He's in fun. Think of, oh my god. Okay, I don't care. I'll be abandoned. Hate you either way. Meanie. Alright, go ahead and wait for me, guys. There we go. Follow me. Somebody. Was that him? Follow him! Charge! Dun, 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 dun. And we have a pro here. And we've got one. And then we have the other one. Boom! We're getting some good pros, dude. No, one of our pros is still gonna go help him. Help over there. Look, the funny thing when you jump, or other times really, come on, jump, people. So, oh, there, see, when you jump, like, some quite, oh, I be jumping. When you guys jump some quite tiny, like, I jump even. Well, guys, as I said, either I'm gonna end it now. That means I'm gonna end it now. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, slam that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will catch you guys next time. Peace.